Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
Recently gifted and talented students that completed grades 1 through 4 participated in an Ector County ISD summer learning camp called Scholars in Progress at BLACKSHEAR Elementary. Camp SIP offers a series of courses that involve global problem solving and project-based activities.
The first week we focused on using the FOLDSCOPEs, which are these paper microscopes, as you can see, and they are very flexible, durable, and but they work on par to any other educational microscope. So they have 140x magnification, and you can look and be able to see single-cell bacteria.
Students at Camp SIP took a field trip where they were able to collect various soil and water samples, and with the FOLDSCOPE they were able to look at leaves, flowers, pollen, and different microorganisms.
So the kids can learn, can be able to not only look at the samples just with their naked eye, but also be able to see how they look under a microscope and be familiar with the microscopic structures around them.
Students at Camp SIP enjoyed the learning experience using the FOLDSCOPE instrument. Students then created posters that reflected their experience.
So our presentations were mainly about how when you just go around the ponds, we got some samples from the leaves and plants, and I did my project about stomata, which is about a leaf where you look at it and you can see stomata, which is like a little organism type thing that lives inside the leaf that keeps it kind of safe. That's kind of the way that it breathes.
I did my project on the different waters. I think the waters are different because on some of them, water from the road and the construction couldn't go in there, which could bring bacteria, but some of it couldn't bring bacteria. So that's why I think the waters are different.
I did my project on the amount of insects in pond 1 and pond 2. Because in pond 1 there I only saw ants, but in pond 2 I saw many more species of insects.
FOLDSCOPE Instrument Scholastic Camp workshops were divided into 3 phases that would allow students to learn nature and help students and parents engage in learning core subjects and adding FOLDSCOPE into ECISD school curriculum.
Our company is moving into now is to develop citizen science projects, and actually this summer camp has been great for that because these 2 weeks, especially what I was referring to with going to the ponds and collecting water and soil samples, has been a pilot test of larger citizen science projects we're going to be launching in the future, some of them also in partnership with Ector County.
For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and at DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.